Since I've been scrapbooking, I've been asking for new things to add to my craft room, and I finally got two of them. Well, it's one and the same in a sense, but I ended up getting Kodak Instant 2-in-1 camera printer combo. Super excited. Let's just do an unboxing. Okay, so this combo actually came with cartridges with 30 sheets. This is another cartridge with another 30 sheets. This would be the Mini Shot 2 Retro camera and printer. Let's see. This is about to be perfect for my scrapbooking. I can't wait to really play with this. And then I have another little box because I was gifted this Kodak. Why am I sucking? Literally the exact same size, and this is just the Mini 2 Retro printer. Let's just be honest, I didn't need both of these. I didn't. It just so happened I was gifted them, and they're slightly different, so I have a hard time deciding if I should be sending one back or keeping one, or keeping both. Yep, so I now have pretty much, I feel kind of crazy for getting two of the same things, but they were gifted to me, and I love a gift. I love a gift. And I'm here opening both, so. Really, they're the same thing, but slightly different. And I cannot determine which one should go back. So I shall keep both of them. So this is only a printer. This one could take pictures and print. However, I don't know how awesome the quality is going to be on this one for the pictures itself, but I just feel like I have them both. I should keep them both. I'm gonna keep them both, obviously, because I just opened them both, but they print exactly the same size pictures. So this is, I thought this was supposed to come with 38 sheets. Yeah, I definitely think that was supposed to come with more. Anyways, so I have enough sheets to get started so that I could print pictures, put them in my scrapbook as I go, instead of sending a bunch of pictures to Walgreens or CVS to have them printed. So now I could print them at home by myself with my little printers. I have to find like a whole new home in my craft room for my little Kodak setup. That chargers don't come with the freaking box no more. It's low-key insane. Insane. Dang, you don't come with a little bit of charge? Oh, you put the cartridge in this way. I'm assuming the cartridge contains the ink and the papers. So this one already has 8 in there ready to go. And then I have 3, 6, 9 more sheets and cartridges of red liver. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna plug all of this in so that when I sit down to actually start doing my scrapbooking, I could get to it. I shouldn't open both like this because it's a little much, but everything needs to be charged, I'm assuming. Then I'm gonna connect them to my devices. Oh, this is on. Come on. Why this one ain't come charged? This one better, just like holding it. But I think I'll take this one on my trip with me, depending on how it looks. Because if I want to, oh, it's like a little mirror, a little reflection here, and then there's a screen in the back so you can see what you want. If you want to print the picture, you just click there, you can swipe through. I don't know, let's read. I don't know, like the storage type situation, so I'm gonna play with it a little bit. So also, is that gonna be an issue? Me Bluetoothing multiple printers? No, I already Bluetooth a bunch of other printers with other devices, so that shouldn't be a problem having too many of the same thing, because I got like multiple Crickets Bluetooth to my devices as well, so being able to Bluetooth to both of these should not be a problem. I did do research on this one because this is the one that I actually wanted and requested and he got, and then this one there, we saw this one when we were in the store and it was on sale and it was a reasonable price, so he was like, go ahead. So I ended up getting both of these, but we will see. I guess I'm gonna have to double back and let you guys know which one I like the best. But for now, I'm gonna charge them up. I'm gonna look for some boxes, charge them so that I could get to scrapbooking. And I want to print pictures of myself to put into the junk journal that I'm doing so I can send it off. So I'm excited, but we shall see. I'll let you guys know which one I like best. They're basically the same thing, small difference in being able to take the pictures, but you know, charge them up, charge them up.